Okay, so kind of interrupted. Basically what you have to do is pick up your beaker, and then, so both of you will probably have to, one person puts the clamp back on while the other person holds the beaker, and then you can move everything down and set it. And you'll notice that I don't have this underneath the water very far, right? Because what I want to do is I'll put my potassium iodide in here, and then I'm going to add my hydrogen peroxide. So here's a graduated cylinder. You need 25 mils, right? I'm going to pour it into this little flask. Well, it would be best if you have this ready to go. This end needs to be up inside, so it might be a little tricky to get it up inside here. Maybe I need to bring this up a little bit higher. I just don't want the water in my graduated cylinder to fall out. So if I can, that'll be, so barely underneath. So if you stick this up inside, okay, so that should stay in here. Then what I'm gonna want to do is when I get my potassium iodide powder and then I add my 25 mils of hydrogen peroxide, you're supposed to kind of swirl it, and then you put your stopper on. It'll start to evolve gas. And we thought that it might be helpful if you had something to hold it like that. And then whoever's like in charge of this is going to be watching. Gas will fill up and displace, like push water out. And so as soon as it gets to the 10, then you want to say now or have something prearranged. And the person that's watching the timer then needs to look at the timer and go, oh, 42 seconds, and write that down. And then the next you're gonna watch, and then the next 10 mils go, stop or now or whatever, and then the person timing would write that down until it stops bubbling or you have the whole thing. I don't know. This is your experiment. We'll have to see what happens. So hopefully it'll be interesting and we'll learn something, all of us. Okay.